Hey guys, welcome back to Mad. I'm gonna wait for this to. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Mad. Just for Creativity's Key. Sorry I've not uploaded in far too long, but finally back now, and figure we'll start off with the good old-fashioned moto vlog. I don't know what it is, but it's so much better to do moto vlogs in the rain. I have no idea why, but that's. Oh my god, my front tires are flat. I can hear it. It's raining. Sorry if the camera's getting very moist right now. I appreciate that. I just apologize for that. Well, my camera is probably really... Well, anyway guys, I am back. Finally back in the mojo to record and edit and stuff. I've just been gone, taking a little break. But I'm finally back, as I said. So yeah, and I always gotta start off with the good old-fashioned cold raining moto vlog. As you can tell by the decorations, and if you're watching this day, I upload it, or within the month I upload it, it is almost Halloween. My sock keeps falling down, it's annoying. Where does Austin want to go? We're gonna go this way. Also, I got new lights. I got turn signals. Other turn signal. I have a brake light that turns on whenever I hit the brakes. That'll be hard to film. I have an Instagram post. Instagram the description. Or, yeah, that was called description, yeah. I'm a rookie. God dang, this is very rainy. I did not realize it was this rainy. Yeah, I can't even see anything. Oh well, you don't really need to see much, do you? Oh yes, I also have this front light taped on here. Which, it works, it's just can't see it right now. There you go. Okay, it has different settings and stuff. Every time you turn it on, it sets something else. It's kind of annoying, but it still works. Dude, it's kind of cool. It's pretty cold out. Not too crazy, but the rain doesn't help much. Plant. How's it going, plant? Is it gonna rain all day? If it does, that sucks. It's not raining in here. I'm trying to think where I should go. I could go up there, but I don't know that area very well. Like, at all. I figure I'll try to go learn that area. I have my phone on me, so it should be fine. Could always look up Google Maps if I really needed to. So yeah, let's ride around down here. No, I almost fell. Dude, I haven't crashed yet in the moto vlog. I gotta do that someday. Not on purpose, but someday it'll happen, man. I have a feeling it'll be today for whatever reason. Oh. There's action down here. I'm gonna go check it out. Alright, so that's my way out right there. No idea what that was. God, my camera's getting so wet. What's going on? Oh, just roof people. Oh. Let's not go that way. There's this guy over here. Okay, let's try this again. Let's go the other way. Because I've never been over here. Oh, what the heck, I'll do it. I mean, I've been down here, but like I said, I did not know my way around here. Oh, we got some action. You guys are brave doing it while it's raining. I remember I had one football game where it was raining so much, couldn't even see like 5 feet in front of you. We won that game. That was our first playoff game. Sadly, we lost that one, but our team sucked. I'm just gonna be honest, it was like the worst. And then we still won that playoff game. Like, happy. Only by 2 points, but a win is a win in my books. Well, this is a weird area. Huh. I'm gonna go straight and see where this leads. I feel like if I do get lost, it'll be easier if I just head back straight. cool. I'm trying to find something cool, dude. Trying to find something cool, you know? Something like, yeah, that's cool. It's a cool place, but it's hard in the suburbs because everything is the same. What the heck is this place? This is really weird. I wonder how wet my camera is right now. You guys probably can't even see. Whoa, where am I? Got some nice decorations, that's fun. Oh gosh, it's really, my face is starting to get chilly. It's pretty cool over here, honestly. I keep touching the camera. That's because it keeps sliding because of the rain. It's very moist. Squirrel. Where am I? Is that a real dog? No, it's not a real dog, is it? No, it's wearing a bow tie. I don't think real dogs wear bow ties all the time. I mean, they can, but I don't think they just do it for whatever. I mean, it's under the friggin' thing. It's just sitting there. It looks pretty real from a distance. Yeah, I didn't know. Okay, where the heck am I? Huh. Ow. Okay, that's around, I forgot what it's called down there, but oh, I'm so lost right now. So if I go straight, I'm on Lillet. I guess I go straight. I think I'm gonna go straight. What the heck, I'll go straight. I don't know if anyone over here I know. No idea. I think I found out where I am. Whoa, I just found a place, I think. Glad I went straight. Yeah, I know where I am now. Alright, that's cool. Oh, well now I know that. Now I know where that goes. I'm gonna go left next time I explore though. Oh wait, did I go? God dang, I forgot. I'll have to look through the footage after this. Yeah, now I'm over here. Let's get out of this place. Alright, let's go. God, my eyes are getting... Glad I don't have my glasses, though it'd be a mess. I might still sucks. Oh god, I almost got my pants stuck in my chain. Yeah, this is where I am. So if I go right here, I should end up back at my house. Alright, we're going. Alright, made it. I was up there for a little bit, but not bad. Alright, let's go over by Hermerson. Alright, swipe it off while you have the chance. Alright. Oh god, I almost did it again. Alright, my backlight's on. Thought they could see me better. I'm about to fall off. Thought they could see me better. I will say it's annoying having no grips and having these like slick gloves on because there's no grip there at all. Basically my flat tire, my god, I just get this second time now. My third tire's, I'm like, oh my god, my front tire's flat. Words work. I have no grips and they're getting wet. This is a great day. It's raining, that's even better. This looks fun. Oh god, I keep almost getting my pants stuck. Let's head on here just cause. Oh, it broke off. Well, I don't have any brakes. Whoa, bird. Goodbye, bird. There's a bird over there. Bird, how's your day going? Bird! It's over there now. Can you imagine being able to fly? That'd be awesome. Piece of thing broke off. I just wanted to attack the bird, and I didn't want to attack it, but okay, this is gonna be kind of sketchy. Oh God, I have no traction. Ugh. All right, we made it. Maybe, come on. Okay, there we go. I have shorts on underneath my pants, and I need a belt for these, and they're my brother's, so they're extremely big. He's like 6 foot tall. I'm like 5'4", so there's a little bit of a problem there. Will say it was a little sketchy earlier. Oh God, it happened again, dude. I need like zip tie him or something. Just zip tying my pants to my leg. You ain't gonna. No, you ain't gonna troll me, pants. Oh my God, third time now. At least the suspension is nice. It's very pristine. Ooh, the pool's covered. I wanna go in. I heard like it's really hard. Like if you're in a pool, put the cover on while there's water underneath. Well, water in it. I heard it's really hard to get out for obvious reasons. Oh, whoops. I guess it depends on like the pool and like the cover, but it depends. Person's going. Alright, let's go out here. I think this camera actually helps for people like that. Listening to music right now. I hope you guys can't hear it. Copyright all around. Ooh, I'm in friggin' gear right now. Let's put it in third, it's better. This turn signal thing is so cool. I guess I'll turn my front one on. There you go. I'll try to tilt it up a little bit. I don't need it right now, but safety reasons. Alright, let's go over here, I guess. Okay. Oh, my leg's starting to hurt. Let's take a little break here. Okay, still on. Oh, where do we want to go? Oh God. Alright guys, let's go on up there. Ow, my leg.